Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hi everyone. This is my Securit 6-lever padlock. This lock has also taken the design choice of hiding the innards from being seen through the hasp. I found the best way to keep the little flap out of my way is to use a tiny little magnet. I'm picking this lock once again using tools provided by the legend Andy Mack. This is the same process as before. Looking for the binding lever and nudging it clear. Continually traversing the lever pack until we can get the open. With the lockpick, the bolt needs a little help as the tool is a fraction short. Before I was able to nudge it via the hasp. However, due to the tolerances being so tight, that option is not available. So by placing our pick wire to the rear of the lock and feeling for the bolt, it can easily be nudged clear. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.